And I'm here as part of Sympathy Hands Foundation. It's an international organization. And my message to you, Kuroya will say, thank you for making your parents proud. When I was growing up, I'm proud of you. So, we are proud of you that you have achieved it. At Sympathy, it will be malnutrition, all the malnutrition problem that comes because of lack of nutrition. So we've been rolling a lot of programs in the country. So when you get the invite, you support us here. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Arino. America. Looking at Thank you so much, Pauline and Joy. I'm also proud of you guys and the work that you're doing to women.